Hello everyone. Today we'll be going over citations with APA 7. Citations boost your paper in many ways, from lending credit to your writing and even offering a safety net by providing provable separation of your ideas from other authors. Citations answer 4 questions. Who is the author? When was it published? What is the work named? And where can one find the source? We can find all of these answers when looking at most bodies of work. For example, this PDF excerpt, we can find the majority of the information on the title page. Additionally, if you found an article from one of the university's databases, we can also look at the metadata of that article. This information is also used by some databases' citation tools. However, make sure to review any generated citation. If the metadata was incorrectly formatted, then this generated citation will also have that same improper formatting. If you use content from a website outside of scholarly material, then the details of the author, publisher, date, and title may be split up and shifted around for styling purposes. The examples shown so far are called references and should be arranged in a list alphabetical in a hanging indent style, and it should be double spaced placed at the end of your papers. Each reference should have at least one accompanying in-text citation, which should be as close to the relevant talking point in your paper in the following formats. When you use another author's work, you'll either paraphrase it in your own words or use their exact wording as a direct quote. Both require an in-text citation. However, direct quotes must appear in quotation marks and include a page number. The APA style prefers paraphrasing, so use direct quotes sparingly. There are some special cases to be aware of if you have more than one author, or if you are missing an answer to one of the questions of who, what, when, or where. For a more detailed breakdown, please visit the APA Style website available at apastyle.apa.org. This general information is also available on the Tarleton Library Citation Guide at this link and in various other places too. If you ever need help, you can reach a librarian online with the Chat with a Librarian feature on our home pages, by email, or by phone. All of our contact details are also available on our home website, tarleton.edu/library. Best of luck on your papers, and know that the Tarleton University Libraries are here to help.